Looking at the King's College, most of the kids here are Oriental kids. In the old days, like the Augustine that brought in Christianity and education to Great Britain, and prior to that, they brought in education and knowledge from the Far East, from India and places like that. Now, the Indian kids and the Asian kids are now coming to England to learn about the modern education system from here and then take it back to their countries. And what a transformation of heads on, turning it on the head, where the ancient education was brought here. Now they are taking this modern education back to Asia. Wow, a full cycle happening right here in front of your eyes, here at the Canterbury.